Friends, have you recognized us? We are the same batch from IHM Gwalior, that is the Institute of Hotel Management, Catering Technology and Applied Nutrition Gwalior. We are one of the 21st IHMs in India under the Ministry of Tourism, Government of India. Today we have got another batch for you, and they belong to the third semester BSc HHA program. We have prepared a Maharashtrian menu today. Maharashtra is a very beautiful state. It is located on the western part of India. It has got a very beautiful sea coast, and it is surrounded by the state of Goa, the state of Madhya Pradesh and the state of Gujarat. Friends, what is not available in Maharashtra? All the things are there. We have got beautiful hills, we have got seashore, we have got good people, we have got good food. Everything is there. And Maharashtra is the film city because we are very much fond of seeing films. Do you see films? Yes. In your age, I also used to see films. And you have to learn the good things from the films so that they can be applied on your daily life. Now, let us talk on food. Today's food has been chosen from the state of Maharashtra, and we have got our very beloved, very obedient student, Ms. Naina Rajput. And Naina, how is your day today? Was it very fine?
It was very good, sir.
It was very good. And I think you have learned many things in the institute.
Yes.
And would you like to inspire those students who are watching from class 11th and 12th studying? Will you tell them to join IHM Gwalior? Yes, very good. So friends, without taking much time, I will hand over the scene to Ms. Rajput, the supervisor of the day. I'm coming within a short time.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. My name is Naina Rajput and I am a student of 3rd semester BSc HHA program in the Institute of Hotel Management Gwalior. Gwalior is the city of music and history of cultures, and IHM Gwalior is the very top hotel management college, and it gives the best training to their trainers and for great futures. And I assure you, you will be take admission here, and you got lots of things, experience lots of things, and the faculty is very good here, and you must have to admission here, take admission here. Thank you. And today we prepared Maharashtrian menu here, and Maharashtra is a state of Western India and known for its rich history and cultures. Maharashtrian cuisine is delightful and spicy, sweet and flavorful. Its dishes provide flavorful dishes like vada pav, masal pav, pav bhaji, etc. And today we prepared Maharashtrian cuisine, and now come and see what we are prepared today. Thank you. And today we prepared moong dal khichdi, which is prepared by Ompal Singh, my friend Ompal Singh, which just look very nice. Please come and see. The khichdi is looking very nice, and the texture is also looking very nice. So I would like to say, Ompal, please taste the khichdi. Please taste it. The texture is looking very nice, and the color of turmeric also look very nice.
Taste is very good, and texture is very good, and salt is good, and this is very healthy khichdi. This help in digestion.
So you know, the moong dal is very perfectly cooked, and the rice is very perfectly cooked. The ratio is also good, taking the ratio like more rice and less moong dal. And now we see what this is. Malwani fish curry. This is Malwani fish curry, which is prepared by my friend Nitesh Temla, Pratham Agrawal. See what is this. Please check it. The texture is looking very nice. The color is also very nice, and the tari is also gravy and also.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Nitesh Devila, and today we cook Malwari fish curry. That is very good in taste, and also we use a special masala in it. That is called Malwani masala. In it we use rai, jeera, and whole dhania powder, and chakli fool, and bay leaf. We can dry roast it and then we will grind it. And this is special dish from Maharashtra cuisine that is eaten by too many Maharashtrian cuisine restaurants, and it is only also served in Maharashtrian cuisine festival also. Thank you.
So now we'll see. This is our tomato sour, which is prepared by Muskan and Pankaj Singh. So I would like to say, Muskan, please taste it and please give positive comments to our viewers. And please taste like
Good taste.
the thickness, you can see the thickness is very nice, and the color is also very nice, and the texture is also very good. You can see here, please cameraman. It seems very good, and the salt is also very nice. I can taste and let me taste it. Yeah. The salt is very good, and the flavors of jeera, rai and kadi patta is very good. And now let me see. This is our aam tea, which is dal, which is made with chana dal, and which is prepared by Ram Kevat. And please, Ram Kevat, taste it and give positive reviews to our viewers.
Tasty.
You can also taste it. Cameraman, please see the thickness, and it's very good, and it's the color and also very nice. Turmeric is very nice. Salt is, I think. Please give comments.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Ram Kevat. I am in 3rd semester in IIM Gwalior. So I made Maharashtrian cuisine. It is amti. It is good taste, and it is made by chana dal and like a tadka and imli pani, imli water.
So now we'll see what is this. This is our til good chapati, which is made by Nitin and Prachi and Mantisha, and this is looks very nice, and the shape is good, and the texture is also good. The filling of til and good is also nice. Please, Nitin, you can taste and give the review. And I also have a little bit. It cooks very well. The flavor of til and good is in mouth, and but it seems like some part of non-cooked, but it's, I assure you that you next time this not happen. So what the ingredient used in this chapati?
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Nitin Adar and I am from the city of Peacock, Morena. Today's menu is Maharashtrian cuisine and my dish name is til good chapati. सबसे पहले अपन ने तिल लिया था, उसको रोस्ट किया था, फिर अपन ने लेने के बाद गुड़ लिया था, उसको फाइन चॉप किया था, फिर उसको मेल्ट किया था। मेल्ट करने के बाद तिल को दोनों को मिक्सअप करके साइड में रख दिया था 5 से 10 मिनट तक, जिससे वो ठंडा हो जाए। ठंडा होने में फिर अपन ने आटा मारा था। आटा मारने के बाद एक साइड करा था, फिर उसको दोनों को स्टफन में भर के और सेका था, फ्राई किया था विदाउट ऑयल विदाउट घी। थैंक यू एवरीवन।
So now this is our dessert basundi, which is made by Raghavendra Kushwaha, and it is made with milk and some part of kesar. So, and I would like to say, Raghavendra, please give your comments and taste it.
Good afternoon. My name is Raghavendra Kushwaha, and today I made a Maharashtrian dish. This name is Basundi, and
I would like to.
I would like to taste. It is a sweetened condensed milk and made by milk, cardamom, kesar, and chini also, and milk made, and it is texture is semi thick, and chironji, cardamom, and kesar taste is very good. Thank you.
So friends, you have seen that today's episode was a very successful, and we have prepared the menu in a very successful manner. Now this is the time for lunch, so I thank all my boys and girls from the core of my heart. So wherever you are and whatever you are doing, I please request you that once please think of hotel management. We are teaching hotel management 3-year BSc degree and diploma course out here. Those who are completing 11th and 12th classes, they can plan out their way of studies in future for 25-26 session. So thank you very much. Stay safe, stay healthy. Good day.